What you read in today's business standard?
Sir, I have read about news related to banks like the nine listed banks. The net profit of listed banks has decreased 4% in the fourth quarter of this year. And another news is related to PM Mudra Yojana, which is fund the newborn startups. Like the tickets has been decreased for Kishore segment, and for Sisu it has increased.
What amount?
Yes, sir.
What amount has been increased?
Sir, the number of tickets, like how much applications has received, that
Okay.
are decreased for Kishore.
What is Sishu Kishore and Tarun?
Sir, PM Mudra Yojana has mainly four segments. One is Sisu, which has the startup from 5 lakh to 25 5 lakh, from 50,000 to 5 lakh, and Kishore segment has from 5 lakh to 50 lakhs, and for Tarun it is 50 lakhs to 5 crores.
No,
The
this is
valuation of startup.
limit is wrong.
Yes, sir, I have to look on it. Sir, I think it has redefined in this budget, because I have read during the CMET preparation, and I think that was it.
No, no, not in this budget, but see, limit is something for a Shishu, it is up to 50,000 rupees.
For the Shishu.
Yes. Then coming to Kishore, that is from 50,000 to approximately 5 lakh rupees. For Tarun, that is up to 10 lakh, from 5 lakh to 10 lakh.
Okay,
Then
sir.
10 lakh and above is Tarun Plus, like this thing. So actually, this has been updated. Means
Okay, sir.
Tarun Plus has been added, and rest Shishu Kishore and Tarun was earlier also in this.
Yes, sir, I will read all.
What was the topic for today?
Sir, artificial intelligence is the topic for today's exam.
So you can explain about climate change. Go ahead.
Sir, I will not prepare for climate change, but I can explain it.
Yeah,
Sir,
you can explain.
climate, yes, sir. Sir, climate change is the process of changing the climate due to various reasons. We can see it nowadays, like global warming is increased due to deforestations, and many other, like pollutions due to automobiles, factories, and many other activities. Uh, Two major factors of climate change is El Nino and La Nino, which is the activities which occurs in the Pacific Oceans, which impact we can see the impacts of that in India also. We have many solutions of we have many solutions, like we can plant more trees to prevent our climate. And many we should make the strong policies related to the climate change, like our government can make for decrease pollutions, and in this way we can save the climate. Yes, sir, that's it.
Only tell only intro in 2 lines.
Sir, intro of climate change.
Yes, in two lines.
Okay, sir. So, sir, climate change is the process in which the climate is increased, like the climate has factors. Sorry, sir. Climate change is the process in which climate is changed, like in temperature and in humidity and the weather periods. It is called climate change.
Now coming to body.
Yes, climate change and has many factors like temperature. So, in temperature, temperature is increased due to the deforestations, pollutions due to factories, automobiles, and many other human activities. Uh, and the solutions of climate change is we can plant more trees, and we can make the strong policies, like our government of India is should make strong policies for it to prevent the pollution and to prevent the climate change.
Now coming to conclusion.
Uh, for the conclusion, sir, climate change, sir, I have to, I can't remember itself right now.
So there is a nothing to remember like this. See, in conclusion, what we have to say, whatever we have explored in the intro and body,
Yes, sir.
that since humans are facing a lot of issues with the current scenario of climate, but still government is trying and finding out different avenues like relying on the renewable source of energy and also to decreasing carbon footprint, decreasing greenhouse gas emissions, like these things. So in future we will see the better prospects to fight with the climate change and we will make our climate healthy. That's all. That is a conclusion.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you have read anything about artificial intelligence?
Yes, sir, I have prepared about it.
Okay. Tell me.
Should I start?
Yes, in the same manner.
Yes, sir. So, sir, artificial intelligence is a field which focus to creating machines which are capable of doing the tasks like which require human intelligence. For example, learning, reasoning, and problem solving, etc. etc. Uh, uh, the artificial intelligence is being applied in various fields nowadays, like in healthcare, banking, and agriculture, and many other fields. We have many examples of like Siri and Alexa, the major examples. Both are the voice. Alexa is the AI assistants of and series of apples. They can perform various tasks like they can operate the home devices, switch on of the switch off, switch on the home devices. And yes, one major example is that government, our Ministry of Agriculture and Farmer Welfare has decided to build an AI software for the information of crop related disease and the nutrients required for the specific crops, which can be provided through the software to farmers to increase the yield and
Okay, okay. That's all.
agriculture conditions of.
That's all. Anmol, please tell me under artificial intelligence topic, the body and conclusion. Please go ahead. Don't speak about intro. Just body and conclusion.
Yes, sir. Sir, am I audible?
Yes.
So AI has many roles in our life. So AI has revolutionized many sectors. These sector include healthcare sector, finance sector, retail sector, automotive automotive sector, retail sector, finance sector, as well as industrial sector. AI has certain benefits also. The benefits of AI is that it is available 24 into 7. AI is also AI has a very big data set, so it gives you information around the globe. Also, it has a cost reduction. It helps as a cost reduction in the industry like manufacturing. Some limitations of AI is it is somewhat biased. AI is AI has a limitation of that it is replacing jobs. Also, AI is used for creating deep fake content, which is a disadvantage of AI. So coming to conclusion, if we in this present world, if we are continue to using AI has a great many features to we can grab upon. AI provide us with the various benefits as well as there is a potential risk to it. So in this current era, if we want to proceed with AI, we should have a balanced approach regarding that.
Okay, Ashish, now your conclusion regarding AI. Only conclusion.
Yes, sir. So if we come in AI, uh, AI power to transform the whole world, but only if we will use it wisely. Our government should make strong policies related to the artificial intelligence and yes, sir.
So this is a very concise conclusion. So you have to very concise when you will speak regarding any topic, means in intro, body, conclusion. You have to very concise in the mind. Getting this? Be concise, be
Yes, sir.
selective, be point to point only. Don't speak everything around that topic.
Okay, sir.
So today we are with our next question. So for your kind information, yesterday the question was regarding the PI name-based question. Getting this thing? So today we will go with location-based question. Since you both belong to MP itself, I think you are much aware of present Chief Minister of MP. Please write down these things because these
Yes, sir.
things will work and these things may be asked in future. So first of all, present MP from your city and present CM of your Madhya Pradesh. Second thing,
Yes, sir.
how many legislative assembly seats are there in MP and in which year previous election held, that is Vidhan Sabha election. अब क्योंकि एमपी के जो एक्स सीएम हैं शिवराज सिंह चौहान जी, वो अभी फिलहाल मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ एग्रीकल्चर में है, तो आपको ये बात ध्यान रखनी है। तो ये हो गया मोटा मोटा एमपी के बारे में जो कोई भी आदमी पूछ सकता है, इवन पैनलिस्ट कैन आल्सो आस्क। नाउ लेट्स कम इनटू योर लोकेशन। आशीष, वेयर आर यू फ्रॉम?
I am Sajapur.
You are from Chhatarpur. Okay. Tell me who is present MLA.
Sajapur, sir. Sajapur.
Okay, Sajapur. Tell me who is your present MLA of your
Yes.
Sajapur.
Sir, present MLA Sri Inder Singh Ji Parmar,
From
who is
which
the Higher Education
party?
Minister.
Yes.
Sir, from BJP, Bharatiya Janata Party.
Okay. Now coming to this, Anmol, please remember you are also MLA. Who is your MLA?
Sir, the MLA of my area is Sir Shailendra Kumar Jain, and sir, he is from Bharatiya Janata Party.
Okay, very nice. So see, this is the correct way of knowing about your location. So first of all, we have idea about MLA. Now we will get into your topography and climatic conditions. Means what's your soil structure in your city, in your zone where you lives, means in your district, and also the crop, the major crop are grown there. or around yourself. That thing you have to remember. Is it sandy, loamy, clay? What soil is and which crop is the most prominent? Since interview are going to be held on May approximately, so I think the measure they will be asking about the Rabi crops that is going to harvest soon. So Rabi crops you have to remember under the Rabi, what is Rabi crop actually? You have to remember two, three names. Then under the Rabi crop, which crop is prominent in your area? Getting this thing. Now apart from these
Yes,
things,
sir.
there is a only one thing. Means first of all, political background you are knowing about your region. Second thing, agricultural background means crop related things. And third most important thing is any exception things. That means any historical remark there is in your city. For example, very old temple is there. Getting this thing, any old statue is there. So two or three things you have to tell. Like from Sajapur, you have to tell. Okay, tell me some specification from Sajapur, Assis.
Yes, sir. So, sir, the soil structure of Sajapur is clay soil,
No, no.
and
See,
major crops
the,
are,
the moment I have said the third point. The third point
yes, sir,
means
any historical.
yes,
So,
anything which
sir, there
what
is,
makes your district unique means that is different from others. That's new.
okay, sir. So, sir, in Sajapur, there is only uniqueness is that in our area, the tree of palas are available in abundant. Like we have around 70 to 80% of the trees are palas trees. There is only uniqueness of Sajapur. There is no other historical or other things.
Okay. Any other thing like any factory situated which is very famous and which is unexceptionally means not in any district of MP but only in Sajapur. Anything like this.
No, sir, there is no such things.
Anmol, you please go ahead and tell me your city's background.
Yes, sir. Sir, by the name, sir, Sagar, sir, in earlier days, sir, Sagar is combined of two words, sir, so good. Sir, it means 100 foot. So, sir, the thing is, sir, Sagar is covered in a diameter which approximately have 100 foot. Sir, some of the renowned forts are Rahatgarh Fort, sir, Rajghat Fort, Gadpara Fort, sir, sir, Gadpara Fort is very famous for its temple in between the fort. So, sir, by then suggest Gad fort in the temple. And sir, coming to other another fort, which is sir Dhamoni Fort, which is built by Sultan Muhammad. And sir, coming to Rajgarh Fort, which is built by Bundela rulers in sir 16th century. Coming to sir another historical places near Sagar is sir city of Iran, sir, which is 37 kilometer near the Sagar district. And sir, it is famous for wild boar statue, sir, which is very big. And this statue is known to as a historical archaeological site and which is sir very old. And sir, coming to places to visit in Sagar, sir, there is the Dipali Palace, which is four-star hotel in Madhya Pradesh and which is very famous in Sagar. And sir, it is a very big hotel. Sir, another tourist destination in Sagar is Sir Lakha Banjara Lake, sir, which is very famous around the Sagar and as well as district near Sagar. Sir, the whole Sagar city is built around that lake only, Lakha Banjara Lake. And sir, coming to one more thing, sir, Rajghat Falls. So, sir, Rajghat Waterfalls is also near to Sagar, and sir, that's it. Sir,
See,
anything else, sir, that I'm forgetting?
that's all right. That's very nice, but you have to keep it concise. Means you don't have to go for these type of things. You pick only one from a line of things, like any one fort apart from two. Giving example of two, explain only one. that this thing happened there. And one waterfall you have correctly mentioned like that. So in tourist place,
Yes.
only one tourist place which is top you have to mention. Don't have to mention all the tourists. And Ashish, like these information, please collect something about Sajapur. Even if that is not
Yes, sir. I will collect.
surrounding there, you can collect now. Ki Sajapur just
Okay, sir.
yes, it's a border with this district, and there is a famous like this thing.
Yes, sir.
So yesterday we read about RBI basics and monetary policy committee. So today we are going with next chapter. Let me know if my screen is visible.
Yes, sir. It is visible.
So yesterday we read about repo rate, reverse repo rate, marginal standing facility, RBI bank notes, and subsidiary of RBI's governor, deputy governor of RBI. So all these things we read yesterday. Let us go with bank rate. So bank rate is basically what? Rate of interest implemented by RBI when it lends money to a public sector bank on a long term basis. So if that period is a 90-day to 1 year, that will be under bank rate. Now you will ask that what is the difference between repo rate and bank rate? So repo rate is basically short term period loan, that is less than of 90 days. If bank is going to take a loan from RBI, that will be called under repo rate. The same bank is coming and saying that for more than 90 days and less than 1 year, give me loan. That will be chargeable under bank rate. So under this definition, bank rate, repo rate seems to be similar terms because both are interest rate at which RBI lends money to banks. Bank rate is also referred as a discount rate and is the rate of interest which a central bank charges on loans and advances to a commercial bank. So the same thing has been told here, that is a repo rate versus bank rate. Now you have to update these things because the most probable question out of the RBI Monetary Policy Committee is what is present policy repo rate. You have to update all the things here. What is the at present repo rate? What is the reverse repo rate? Current CRR, SLR, MSF, bank rate, and SDF. So these figures are not updated here. Please update with the RBI website itself. So when you will try to find out these things, you will get to know the definition as well in the RBI website, and that thing make you very clear regarding this. So generally, what all the panelists and all the monetary policy committee members discuss the rate in basis points. So here we must have idea of what is basis point. So basis point is a acronym, means basis point is basically what? Suppose I am saying 1 basis point, that is equal to 0.01%. I have said 100 basis point, that is 1%. So whatever x basis point is, that means x by 100%. So that is actually written for this repo rate. Suppose 25 basis point has been cut from the present repo rate. That means 0.25% has been cut. So the moment we have discussed about repo rate, reverse repo rate, cash reserve ratio, statutory liquidity ratio, MSF and bank rates in depth, these are called as an quantitative measures. Means by quantifiable we can just change these values and we can do the liquidity management. Now coming to qualitative measure. So from apart from that quantitative measures, we have some more methods to control the liquidity in the economy. What are those? That is margin requirement, rationing of credit, moral suasion, and direct action. So what does that mean? Margin requirement means what? कि अगर आप 100 रुपीज डिपॉजिट लेते हो और आप कोई पर्सनल लोन दे रहे हो, फॉर एग्जाम्पल पर्सनल लोन मीन्स व्हाट, विदाउट एनी लाइबिलिटी, विदाउट एनी थिंग्स दे आर कीपिंग विथ अस, किसी भी चीज को के अगेंस्ट में या किसी भी सिक्योरिटी के अगेंस्ट में आप नहीं दे रहे हो लोन, कोई भी मॉर्टगेज नहीं रखा गया फिर भी आप लोन दे रहे हो, उसमें क्या रिस्क बहुत ज्यादा होता है कि ये डिफॉल्ट कर देगा तो हमारा पैसा डूब जाएगा। ऐसे में आरबीआई क्या करता है कि मार्जिन रिक्वायरमेंट करता है, यानी अगर 100 रुपए पर्सनल लोन में आप दे रहे हैं कोई भी बैंक, तो उसके अगेंस्ट में आपको 20%, अगर आरबीआई ने बोला है कि मार्जिन रिक्वायरमेंट है, तो 20 रुपए आपको प्रोविजन बना के चलना पड़ेगा अपनी बैलेंस शीट बैंक को, कि फ्यूचर में कुछ भी हो सकता है, ये पैसे आ भी सकते हैं नहीं भी आ सकते, तो वो 20% का मार्जिन लेके चलता है। Rationing of credit means with this tool RBI can control the credit granted and allocated by commercial banks. Moral suasion by this central bank may prohibit or dissuade the commercial banks to deal in speculative business. So see, कभी कभी क्या होता है कि सेंट्रल बैंक बताता है कॉमर्शियल बैंक को कि आप कौन से बिजनेसेस में लोन दोगे, कौन से में नहीं दोगे। फॉर एग्जाम्पल अभी फिलहाल कुछ दिनों पहले ही पर्सनल लोन का मार्जिन रिक्वायरमेंट हाई किया था, क्योंकि हाई रिस्की बिजनेस होता है। वहीं कभी भी आप होम लोन का लोन सैंक्शन कराने बैंक में जाएंगे तो आपको लोवेस्ट इंटरेस्ट रेट चार्ज किया जाएगा। ऐसा क्यों होता है, कोई रीजन, एनी वन ऑफ यू?
Sir, because in home loan we provide home as a collateral security, so sir, it is be considered a safe loan. Sir, in private loan, sir, in private loan we don't provide any security, so it is riskier than home loan.
So this was the exact question which was asked by panelists 3 years ago during NIBM. So these are all the qualitative measures are taken, और डायरेक्ट एक्शन होता है जिसमें आरबीआई बोल सकता है किसी भी बैंक को कि आप अभी लोन सैंक्शन नहीं करोगे, सीधा बोल सकता है वो। नेक्स्ट इज मार्जिनल कॉस्ट ऑफ फंड बेस्ड लेंडिंग रेट। तो मार्जिनल कॉस्ट ऑफ फंड जैसा कि नाम से क्लियर है, ये मिनिमम इंटरेस्ट रेट होता है जिसके नीचे बैंक लोन नहीं दे सकता है। इसमें क्या क्या इंक्लूड होता है, सबसे पहले तो बैंक के पास पैसा कहाँ से आया, आरबीआई से आया, तो उसमें उसने रेपो रेट दिया आरबीआई को, तो मैं अपने पास रेपो, मैं किसी, यानी मैं अगर बैंक हूं, मैं किसी को लोन दूंगा तो पहले रेपो रेट अपना वापस लूंगा उससे, उसके ऊपर कुछ एक्सपेंसेस होंगे जो मैं इनकर करूंगा, उनको भी एडजस्ट करूंगा, फिर कुछ प्रॉफिट होगा। यानी 6% रेपो रेट है, 1% मैंने अपना इंटरेस्ट लिया और 2% मैंने अपना प्रॉफिट लिया, यानी कितना हो गया, 9% पे मैं आपको वो लोन दूंगा। तो सपोज 100 रुपीज का वो लोन था, मैंने 9% पे दिया, तो मेरे को 9%, 9 रुपए आपसे मिलेगा। अब 9 में से 6 रुपए तो मैं दूंगा आरबीआई को जाके, क्योंकि रेपो रेट में मैंने लोन रखा है। बाकी के बचे 3 रुपए तो मैं 1 रुपए डालूंगा अपने एक्सपेंस में, 2 रुपए अपना प्रॉफिट लूंगा, वो मेरे को प्रॉफिट लॉस में दिखेगा। तो इसको बोलते हैं मार्जिनल कॉस्ट ऑफ फंड, कि भाई कॉस्ट ऑफ फंड क्या है, रेपो रेट ही तो है कॉस्ट ऑफ फंड, और एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव एक्सपेंस सेम चीज बेस रेट होती है। नाउ लेट अस कम विथ मॉनेटरी पॉलिसी कमेटी। जैसा कि हमने डिस्कस किया था कि क्या होता है यस्टरडे, लेकिन आज इन डेप्थ पढ़ेंगे क्योंकि ये सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट पॉइंट है किसी भी बैंक एंड फाइनेंशियल इंस्टीट्यूशन फोकस्ड इंस्टीट्यूट के इंटरव्यू के लिए। तो मॉनेटरी पॉलिसी कमेटी में क्या होता है कि ये बेसिकली इंटरेस्ट रेट डिसाइड करते हैं, 6 लोग बैठते हैं राउंड टेबल में और कुछ डिस्कशन करते हैं कि इकोनॉमिक कंडीशन क्या है, हमको क्या करना चाहिए, और उस बेस पे इंटरेस्ट रेट फिक्स करते हैं। सो मॉनेटरी पॉलिसी कमेटी इज अ कमेटी ऑफ सेंट्रल बैंक, द रिजर्व बैंक ऑफ इंडिया, हेडेड बाय गवर्नर, गवर्नर हेड करते हैं। द आरबीआई एंड गवर्नमेंट साइन द मॉनेटरी पॉलिसी फ्रेमवर्क इन 2015 itself। दैट थिंग यू टू रिमेम्बर कि कब से आया था ये, 2015 से आया था। 6 मेंबर होते हैं इसमें, जिसमें से 3 गवर्नमेंट पॉइंट करती है यानी नॉमिनेट करती है, और आरबीआई के मेंबर्स होते हैं रेस्ट। गेटिंग दिस थिंग, टोटल 6 मेंबर्स होते हैं इसमें। चेयरमैन ऑफ मॉनेटरी पॉलिसी कमेटी जो कि गवर्नर ही होते हैं, और प्रेजेंट कौन है? संजय मल्होत्रा। संजय मल्होत्रा जी प्रेजेंट गवर्नर ऑफ आरबीआई। और जब हम रेट डिस्कस करते हैं तो हम पहली नजर डालते हैं इन्फ्लेशन के ऊपर, कि इन्फ्लेशन प्रीवियस मंथ का कम था या ज्यादा था, उसके ऊपर हम रेट डिसाइड करते हैं। इन्फ्लेशन के कुछ रेंज हैं, यानी 4% से +-2, यानी मिनिमम 2% इन्फ्लेशन इंडिया कैन बियर एंड मैक्सिमम 6% इन्फ्लेशन इंडिया कैन बियर। तो 4 + -2, अगर कंसिक्यूटिव 3 क्वार्टर्स में कोई भी या तो लोअर लेवल यानी 2% से कम इन्फ्लेशन रहता है, या 6% से ज्यादा इन्फ्लेशन रहता है, तो आरबीआई को ऑब्लिगेशन है कि आप गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया को रिटर्न लेटर दोगे और पूछोगे और बताओगे कि क्या चल रहा है, आखिरकार क्यों कंट्री में इन्फ्लेशन ब्रीच हो रहा है हमारा लिमिट। ये लीगल ऑब्लिगेशन है आरबीआई। नेक्स्ट, कमिंग टू बैंकिंग सेक्टर। So for banking sector, you can see here there are two type of banks, that is scheduled bank and non-scheduled bank. अब क्या होता है, अगर कोई पूछता है कि शेड्यूल्ड बैंक क्या होते हैं, तो फ्रैंकली स्पीकिंग, कि 1934 आरबीआई के एक्ट के सेकेंड शेड्यूल में अगर उस बैंक का नाम है, उसको शेड्यूल्ड बैंक बोलते हैं। अगर आप बोलोगे ऐसी तो कोई डेफिनेशन बात हुई ही नहीं, डेफिनेशन कुछ तो अलग टेक्निकल होनी चाहिए, तो ऐसी कोई टेक्निकल डेफिनेशन नहीं है, शेड्यूल्ड बैंक केवल यही डेफिनेशन। कुछ शेड्यूल्ड बैंक है जैसे नेशनलाइज्ड बैंक, स्टेट बैंक ऑफ इंडिया और इट्स एसोसिएट्स, आरआरबी, रीजनल रूरल बैंक, फॉरेन बैंक्स एंड अदर इंडियन प्राइवेट सेक्टर बैंक्स। ये जो है बैंक्स वो शेड्यूल्ड बैंक है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन कम्स इज व्हाट इज नेशनलाइजेशन। तो नेशनलाइजेशन क्या होता है? पहले क्या होता था कि पहले बैंकें प्राइवेट होती थी, यानी कैपिटलिस्ट मार्केट थी अपने इंडिया में। तो कैपिटलिस्ट मार्केट पूरा फोकस करती है रेवेन्यू कलेक्शन में, प्रॉफिट मैक्सिमाइजेशन में, जो किसी भी पुअर पीपल के लिए अच्छी बात नहीं है। यानी अगर कंट्री में पुअर पीपल है या वल्नरेबल सेक्शन ऑफ सोसाइटी है, वो तो प्रॉफिट में हिस्सा नहीं ले पाएगी, उसके पास पैसे ही नहीं है, तो उनको कौन देखेगा? उनको देखेगी गवर्नमेंट। गवर्नमेंट कैसे देखेगी? उन प्राइवेट बैंकों को गवर्नमेंट करके, यानी सरकारी बैंक बना के सर्व करेगी पुअर सेक्शन को। और ये सोच के जो गवर्नमेंट स्टेक खरीदती है बैंकों का, उसको बोलते हैं नेशनलाइजेशन। जहां उनका स्टेक 50% से हाइयर हो जाता है तब। इसी लाइन में 1969 में 14 कॉमर्शियल बैंक्स नेशनलाइज हुए थे, जहां श्रीमती इंदिरा गांधी जी हमारी प्राइम मिनिस्टर थी। कमिंग टू दिस, 6 मोर कॉमर्शियल बैंक वर नेशनलाइज इन अप्रैल 1980। तो आपको बैंकों के नाम याद नहीं रखना है, केवल ये याद रखना है कि नेशनलाइजेशन में होता क्या है। तो गवर्नमेंट किसी भी प्राइवेट बैंक को पूरा होली गवर्नमेंट बैंक बना देती है। होली इन द सेंस नॉट 100%, बट मोर देन 50% शेयर वो खरीद लेती है, तो वो गवर्नमेंट बैंक बन जाता है। नेक्स्ट ये पूछ सकते हैं कि कैसे कैसे नेशनलाइजेशन हुए अपनी कंट्री में, तो आप दो रेफरेंस दो कि 1969 में हुआ था 14 बैंक का, 1980 में हुआ था 6 बैंकों का। गेटिंग दिस थिंग। फिर जो ये चीज है कि रिकमेंडेशन ऑफ नरसिम्हन कमेटी पे आरआरबी स्टेब्लिश हुई, ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। आपको याद रखना है कि नरसिम्हन कमेटी क्या थी, यानी आरआरबी को रिकमेंड किया था, दैट्स ऑल, और कुछ नहीं कि इसके अंदर क्या हुआ था, क्या क्या रिकमेंडेशन थी, क्या क्या इम्प्लीमेंट किया गया। इतना बस याद रखना है कि आरआरबी को रिकमेंड नरसिम्हन कमेटी ने किया। जैसा कि मैंने बताया, पब्लिक सेक्टर बैंक मतलब गवर्नमेंट बैंक। गवर्नमेंट बैंक मतलब जिसमें 50% से ज्यादा गवर्नमेंट का शेयर है, उसको बोलते हैं पब्लिक सेक्टर बैंक। प्राइवेट सेक्टर बैंक मतलब जहां केवल प्राइवेट बैंक, यानी 50% से कम अगर गवर्नमेंट का शेयर हुआ, तो उस बैंक को हम प्राइवेट बैंक बोलेंगे। कोई सही बैंक आप देखो, फिलहाल एचडीएफसी, आईसीआईसीआई, एक्सिस बैंक, टॉप प्राइवेट बैंक हैं। मिनिमम कैपिटल रिक्वायरमेंट, अगर कल को आपका मन हुआ कि प्राइवेट बैंक में खोलूंगा तो उसके लिए 1,000 करोड़ रुपए लगेगा पहले एक कंपनी बनाने के लिए, फिर उसको प्राइवेट बैंक का लाइसेंस मिलेगा। उसके लिए 1,000 करोड़ उस कंपनी की वैल्यू होनी चाहिए। At present, the aggregate foreign investment limit is 74%. So kindly note कि इंश्योरेंस सेक्टर में ये हट के 100% हो चुका है जो फॉरेन इन्वेस्टमेंट, लेकिन अभी ही बैंक्स में 74 है। नेक्स्ट इज रीजनल रूरल बैंक। ये क्या है रीजनल रूरल बैंक? तो रीजनल रूरल बैंक बेसिकली बनाया गया था वल्नरेबल सेक्शन ऑफ सोसाइटी को सर्व करने के लिए, यानी रूरल एरिया में आप मैक्सिमम ब्रांचें देखेंगे इसकी। ये पूरी तरह से गवर्नमेंट बैंक है जिसमें गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया का 50% शेयर रहता है। स्टेट गवर्नमेंट जिस स्टेट में ये बैंक रहेगी, इसकी ब्रांच रहेगी, उसका 15%, और एक कोई शेड्यूल्ड कॉमर्शियल बैंक इसको प्रमोट करती है वो उसका रहेगा 35%। ये रहता है शेयरिंग पैटर्न। सो फ्रॉम टुमारो वी विल रीड अबाउट डोमेस्टिक सिस्टमेटिकली इंपॉर्टेंट बैंक। एनी डाउट यू हैव टिल नाउ?
Sir, as you told that regional rural bank, 35% of the stake will go to commercial bank. So, sir, these commercial bank are public sector banks or sir, these are private banks?
Majorly public sector, no private bank is there. At present, no private bank is there. Private bank never invest in such a business which is for a poor people or which is not generating. Ashish, any doubt you have?
No, sir, everything is clear.
So just I request both of you, I will give this PDF to you. You please take print out and read it again and again. Hard copy.
Okay, sir.
Make hard copy and read it again and again. Because this is a sure short
Yes, sir.
selection. देखिए उसमें जो पर्सनल इंटरव्यू में क्या क्या पूछा जा सकता है वो तो मैं आपको बता ही रहा हूँ, लेकिन बैंकिंग एंड फाइनेंस से क्या क्या क्वेश्चंस आ सकते हैं वो केवल इस पीडीएफ में है। अगर आपने ये पीडीएफ 3 बार 4 बार अच्छे से पढ़ ली, दिमाग में नोट कर ली, तो कोई भी क्वेश्चन आया आप आंसर कर पाएंगे, और अगर आपने वो आंसर कर दिया तो आपका सिलेक्शन हो जाएगा। गेटिंग दिस थिंग? So I'm sharing this PDF to you.
Yes, sir.
Less than 1 minute remaining from this. If you have any doubt, you can WhatsApp me anytime. You can call me, and please print out this PDF and read it again and again. This is a one-stop solution for the PI cracking. Update all the things, read it, revise it. Thank you very much for joining. For
Thank you,
tomorrow,
sir.
topic will be given through
Thank you, sir.
WhatsApp.
Yes, sir.